Dear students, today we are going to start mathematical logic exercise 1.5. In exercise 1.5, there are switching circuits. All the questions are related to switching circuits. So now see first the types of the switching circuits. Now first there are two types of the switching circuits. So consider two switches P and Q, the switch S1 and Q the switch S2, and L for the lamp L. So first see the connection of the switches in the series, two switches in the series. Series means here AND. Series means in logical language it is AND. So we consider it is AND and we write here in the switches AND formation. So first we draw here a battery and there is switch S1, switch S2 and lamp L. Now connection is completed. I have to show arrow and here also arrow. This one is this gives arrow here. Current started. So what is the input output table or switching table for P and Q? This is connection, means for the AND we write continuous in the same line. There are two switches, the switch S1 and switch S2. Now what is the input output table or switching table for P and Q? So for P and Q we write here, instead of TF we write here 1 and 0, and this is very important for the modern physics, means physics students, electronics and IT students, computer science students. These tables are very important for them. First we write P, Q and then P and Q. So for the statement P means switch P, S1 for P, considered value here. This is P. So we write here 1 1 0 0. Instead of double T double F we write here 1 1 0 0. For Q we write here 1 0 1 0. And for P and Q 1, this is 1 and 1 1, 1 and 0 0, 0 and 1 0, 0 and 0 0. Means same as T and F rule we apply here in terms of 1 and 0. And these are very helpful in the modern technologies also. In higher standards you will have to study about these circuits and switches. Second one, two switches in parallel. Parallel means here like this situation, they are in, means the connection started from the same point. Actually they are wires, they are the switches here, switch S1 and switch S2. This is the battery and this one is lamp L. So if any one switch is on, then lamp will glow. And in series case, if any one switch is off, lamp will not glow because it is in series. If this one is off, so current will not flow in the switch S2 and lamp will not glow. And for switch S1 and S2 here, if anyone is on, anyone means current will pass through like this direction and lamp is on. Suppose this one is off, this one is on, so this current will flow like this direction and then this direction, and here lamp will on. This is the earth wire, means neutral, and this is a battery, a powerful battery connected here. Now it's this is the parallel diagram, or you can say P or Q. Two switches in parallel means this is P or Q, S1 or S2. So now see input output table or switching table for P or Q. So P 1100, Q 1010, and P or Q here 1 or 1 1, 1 or 0 1, 0 or 1 1, 0 or 0 0. Clear? So this is there are two formulae for switching circuits, P and Q, and second one P or Q. So you have to practice first two switches in parallel and first one two switches in series. So first you have to practice these two switches and then start your exercise and write down question number 1. So in question number 1, express the following circuits in symbolic form of logic and write the input-output table. Your first question is this one. This diagram is given in the diagrammatic form. So how many switches are there? S1, S2, S3. There are 3 switches. Now we see that this is battery and this one here. So after this, there are 2 branches, this side and this side, means these 2 connections are in parallel. But in this direction, there are 2 switches, S2 and S3. So S2 and S3 are in the same line, so they are in series. They are in series, and S1 or S2 and S3. So now understand first here. This is lamp L. L for lamp L. Here let P for the switch S1 and Q for the switch S2. L the lamp L. The switching circuit can be written as. Now see this one. See the diagram first. S1. This is S1. So S1 is P. This is considered value. P for switch S1, Q for switch S2, and S3 also given here. So you have to write here one more switch, sorry, or the switch S3. So dear students, you should enter here. You should enter here one more sentence here, R, small r, the switch S3. Okay. So the switch S3 you have to write here. Now the symbolic form of the switching circuit. Now see S1, this one. There are 2 branches, so sure they are in parallel. So first we write S1, that is P, and then branch connections, or it is Q and R. They are in series, so we write here Q and R. Okay, because they are in parallel. Main connection is in parallel, but in these 2 are in series. So we write here P or Q and R because they are on the same line. So we write in the bracket Q and R. So there are 3 different letters. So we write here input output table. For 3 different letters P, Q, R, we write same like true and false. So first for P, statement P, we write here 4 times 1, 4 times 0, and for Q, 1100, 1100. For R, 10101010. Means instead of T and F, you have to write 1 and 0. This is Q and R, so we write Q and R column and taking AND rule for Q and R. 1 and 1, 1, 1 and 0, 0, 0 and 1, 0, 0 and 0, 0, 0 1 and 1, 1, 1 and 0, 0, 0 and 1, 0, 0 and 0, 0. The same rule here, so you should learn always only 1 and 1, 1 and 1 is 1, otherwise 0. Now P, R, Q and R means first column and fourth column using R rule. So for these 2 columns for R rule, if anyone is true, means at least one is true, then it is 1. At least 1 is 1, then it is 1, otherwise 0. So we see that here 1 or 1, 1. So 4 times 1 here, so they will be 1. So we write first 4 till this step 1. After that 0 or 1, this is 1. After that there are 3 zeros and there are 3 zeros here, so they will be 0 0 0. Right? So this is the input output table, or you can say switching table. And this final column, the final column is your final answer. Here 5 times 1 and 3 times 0. Now see second one. The switching circuit, this is battery connections. Again it is in parallel here, main connections. The lamp L, S1 dash, S2, S1, S2 dash. This is the direction of the current. But now consider there are 2 main switches. Let P for the switch S1, Q for the switch S2, and L the lamp L. The switching circuit can be written as negation P. Now see this one, S1 dash, dash means negation here. So you can say this is a negation P because S1 for P. So this S1 dash means negation P. Now they are in series, so S2, that is Q, the negation P and Q. Here S1 and S2 dash means P and negation Q, and in between them they are in parallel, so in between them R, and we write here P and negation Q. Now see once again, the switching circuit can be written as in symbolic form negation P and Q for these two, and between them or symbol S1 and S2 dash, that is P and negation Q. Now input output table. We write here P and Q because there are two different letters only in the whole statement. So we write here P and Q for P 1100, for Q 1010. Then negation P means opposite of P, 0011. Negation Q means opposite of Q, so 0101. Now negation P and Q. So negation P and Q means third column and second column using AND rule. So in this case only this is 1 1, only this. So this will be 1, otherwise the rest are 0. For P and negation Q, we see first column and fourth column. So there are 1 1, these two are 1 1 only. So this will be 1, otherwise rest are 0. Now using OR rule in these two columns means column number 5 and column number 6 using OR. So 0 or 0, 0, 0 or 1, 1, 1 or 0, 1, 0 or 0, 0. Third one, this is battery connections. Again it is in parallel. If the branches are 2, this is the main wire, and then it is one branch, it is another branch, means they are in parallel. Now this is the main branch of S1. Again it is distributed in two wires, two branches, so they are in parallel again. Now they are closed and they are in series. S2 dash and S3 dash are in series. So this is the given diagram. Okay, this is given. This is given in your question. So first you have to convert in symbolic form and then write its input output table. So for this diagram, we consider let P for the switch S1, Q for the switch S2, R for the switch S3, L the lamp L. Now S1, so it's a symbolic form. The switching circuit can be written as S1. S1 means what? P. Now then AND, because it is continuous here, so S1 and then AND P and, now they are in parallel, so S2 means Q, so S2 dash negation Q, so negation Q or OR, so P and negation Q or OR. This is one set. Now see this one, this is one set of the diagram, one set, so we write in the rectangular bracket. After that second branch we write OR because it is in parallel, so OR S2 dash S3 dash, they are in series, so we write here negation Q and negation R, negation Q and negation R. After that we write switching table, input output table. So for switching table or input output table, there are three different statements P, Q, R. So first we write main or basic terms P, Q, R. For P, Q, R, 4 times 1, 4 times 0, then double 1, double 0, double 1, double 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. For negation Q, we write double 0, double 1, double 0, double 1. Negation Q or R, so negation Q or R, 1 or 0, 1, 0 or 0, 0, 1 or 1, 1, 0 or 1, 1, 1 or 0, 1, 0 or 0, 0, 1 or 1, 1, 0 or 1, 1. For OR rule, for the OR rule, if anyone is true, sorry, anyone is 1, then it is 1, otherwise 0. At least 1 must be 1. Means in same tables, instead of T and F, we write 1 and 0. After that, we have taken here A, B, C, D. Why A, B, C, D? Because the statements are lengthy, so we consider what is A. A for negation R. A for negation R. Here it is given that, assuming that A for negation R and B for P and negation Q or R, C for negation Q and negation R, and D for, this is the final and whole term, this is D. D means this. So we apply the rule. For A it is negation R. Negation R means opposite of R. So we write here 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1, table completed. For B, what is B? P and negation Q or R. P means first column and fifth column using AND rule in these two. Using AND rule in these two, so we get these terms. and you should learn that. So using these rules, we get 1 0 triple 1 0 and 1 because OR rule, this is the P and negation Q R. So P and negation Q R, this one. For B, using this first column and fifth column, using AND rule. Now see 1 and 1, this is 1, 1 and 0, this is 0, and 1 and 1, this is 1, 1 and 1, this is 1. Similarly, others. Anyone is 0 here, 4 times 0, so this will be 0 0 0 0. Okay. Now for C, negation Q and negation R. See, negation Q and negation R. So for negation Q and negation R, using this column and this column, this is negation R. Actually A means what? Negation R. It is given here. A means negation R, this one. So using these two columns and using AND rule in between them, so we get column C, this one 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. After that D, that is final column. Final column means this whole statement. This is D. So D for this one. So using in column number B and C, in column number B and C, using OR rule. OR rule, 1 or 0 1, 0 or 0 0, 1 or 0 1, 1 or 1 1, 0 or 0 0, 0 or 0 0, 0 or 0 0, 0 or 1 1. So this is the OR rule. So we get final step here. This is the final output. And don't forget this consideration you have to write in the exam also, because table was very lengthy, table was large. So we consider the symbolic form, and you can consider it in the exam also, in board exam also. Okay. Now see fourth one. For the fourth, this is given switching circuit S1, S2. So this is the one box, one set of the diagram, and they are in parallel. So S1 or S2, it is continuous in series, and this one is S3 and or S1 dash, they are in parallel again, but this switch is in series. So students, attention here. Actually, in the textbook, it is given that here S2. If we write here S2, so we get different answer. If you want textual answer, so you should write here S3 dash, then you will get textual answer. Means if we take printing is correct in the textbook, then answer is wrong. If answer is correct in the textbook, then switching circuit is wrong. This should be S3 dash for the textual answer, but I have given this solution because this question is given in the textbook. So consider P for the switch S1, Q for the switch S2, R for the switch S3, and L for the lamp L. The switching circuit can be written as PRQ, PRQ, this one, S1 or S2, that is PRQ. After that AND, S2 means Q, again and here S3 means OR, and they are in parallel, S1 dash, that is negation P. Dashes are negations. Now write down input output table for the diagram. So input output table. First we write PQR, three basic terms, 4 times 1, 4 times 1, 4 times 0, double 1, double 0, double 1, double 0, and R 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0. For negation P, just opposite of P, first column. So here 4 times 0, 4 times 1. PRQ, in between them or using R. So you should learn them, only last two elements are 0, otherwise 6 are 1 1 1 1 1. 1 1 1 1 1 1. PRQ means if anyone is true, here 4 times 1, so this should be 4 times 1. Here 2 times 1, so 2 times 1 again means 6 times 1 and 2 times 0, because they are 0 0 and they are also 0. So if anyone is at least 1 is 1, then it is 1. Now or negation P. So or negation P using third and fourth column, in between them or rule. Which rule? Or rule. Or negation P. So we write here or negation P. This should be 1 or 0 1, 0 or 0 0, 1 or 0 1, 0 or 0 0, 1 or 1 1, 0 or 1 1, 1 or 1 1, 0 or 1 1, according to its rule. Now using AND rule in these two columns, and using Q also, so these three columns using at a time 1 2 and 3, because in between them and, so you can take directly here. This one means this and this and this. This means what? If in all the three columns 1 1 1 continuously, then this will be 1, otherwise 0. Okay, if it will come 3 times 1 continuously in this column, this is Q column, and in this column and in this column, then it will be 1, otherwise 0. So we get here it is 1, it is 1, it is 1, so we write here 1. Here it is 1, it is 1, but it is 0, so this will be 0. If any one is 0, then it is 0. Similarly, we get 1 triple 0 double 1 double 0, means 1 0 0 0 1 1 0 0. Okay, so dear students, attention here. The textual answer of this question is wrong. It is given here textual answer is wrong, because it is given S2 in the diagram. If you want textual answer, so you should write here S3 dash. If you believe the question is correct, answer is wrong, so you should write the same table and follow the same input output table, and you should give the reason textual answer is wrong, and we get here this type of the final output. So this is the final output for this diagram. Now fifth one, try yourself this question, because this question is very easy. So hope students will try. If any doubt, you can ask in the comment box. And the sixth one, this diagram is given S1, S2, S2, S3, S3, S1. So how many different sets are given? This is the first set, and then AND, second set, then AND, third set, and then AND. Okay. So this one, this is the battery, and there are connections S1, S2, S2, S3, S3, S1. This is the lamp L. So there are three switches S1, S2, and S3. So we consider three different statements. P for the switch S1, Q for the switch S2, and R for the switch S3, and L for the lamp L. The switching circuit can be written as, means symbolic form of the switching circuit can be written as, what is this? They are in parallel, so we write PRQ because of S1 and S2, PRQ. Then using AND, because it is single connection here, AND S2 or S3, that is Q or R. Again AND S3 or S1, that is R or P, right? R P or R, because it is commutative. Now input output table for this symbolic form. So there are three different switches. We write here P, Q, R. For the basic rules, we write first 4 times 1, 4 times 0, then double 1, double 0, double 1, double 0, and for R 1 0, 1 0, 1 0, 1 0. For PRQ, first set is PRQ. So for PRQ, using first and second column, so 1 or 1, 1, 1 or 1, 1, 1 or 0, 1, 1 or 0, 1, 0 or 1, 1, 0 or 1, 1, 0 or 0, 0, 0 or 0, 0. So this is the column PRQ. And then QRR using second and third column, applying OR rule. So 1 or 1, 1, 1 or 0, 1, 0 or 1, 1, 0 or 0, it is 0, means both are 0, in 0 or 0, both are 0, then 0, otherwise 1. So 1, 1, 1, 1 or 1, 1, here 0 or 1, 1, 0 or 0, 0. Similarly, OR or P using first and third column, and using OR rule, so we get 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0. And then final output final column for whole statement, it is PRQ and QRR and RRP. So using these three columns continuously and using AND rule in between them, because they are in series whole connections. So for using three columns at a time, here 1 1 1 means 1 and 1 and 1, then this will be 1. If all the three are 1 continuously, then it is 1, otherwise 0. It is 1 1 1 1 and 1 and 1 1. Here 1 and 1 and 1 1. Here it is 1 and 0. So this should be 0 and 1. So at least 1 is 0. So this will be 0. Here all the three are 1. This will be 1. Here 2 are 1. This is 0. So this will be 0. 0 double 1, that is 0 because of AND rule. Here all the three are 0. So this will be 0. So dear students, here question number 4 completed. This is the switching circuit. Now remaining part in the next lecture. So please like, share and subscribe the channel first. Thank you.